Well, good morning, Tuber. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you with another great video. Today is the 24th of August 2021, and today I wanted to focus on the other end of the spectrum. Usually when we talk about crypto, we talk about the top 10 cryptos. We talk about Bitcoin, we talk about Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, Doge, Binance, Polkadot. We talk about the big stuff, but what we never really do is talk about those low market cap coins. And I wanted to draw some attention to those coins because these might be opportunities that we just don't want to miss. So instead of talking about Bitcoin today, that has a $925 billion market cap. Isn't that something, folks? It's headed back. It's headed back. That's right. Bitcoin's headed back to that $1 trillion market cap. And if we look at the entire crypto space right now, the global market worth $2.13 trillion. And we look at the fact that we still have this infrastructure bill in place, getting ready to go through the paces in the House of Representatives. Let's take a look at the other end of the spectrum. Let's go ahead and go to coinmarketcap.com, and we're going to click on market cap here, and we're going to see what's going on the other end of the spectrum. Look right here. I am looking only at the top 100. We could go further. We know there's a lot more than 100 cryptos. But, okay, in the 100 spot, you can see that Paxos Standard is sitting at $944 million in market cap. I can remember when to break into the top 100, you had to have $500,000, not 944 million. Or not, look at this. This is $944 million market cap. Okay, not 544 million. It's almost $1 billion. Now we have a video on this channel saying crypto ain't going nowhere. That's why we've called this one Crypto Ain't Going Nowhere Part 2. Okay, but we are going to be going through these cryptos here, and it changes every day. It fluctuates who's, of course, in the top 10 and who's in the bottom 10 of the top 100. But we're going to look at what Paxos Standard is, OMG Network, MDEX, 0x, Swissborg, Icon, Perpetual, and these things fluctuate. Shia Coin, Digibyte. We're going to look at this, Ontology and Bancor. Who are these coins? What are their projects, and exactly what is going on with them? Are they potentially good investments? Qcoin, we have a video about Qcoin on this site. So if you are interested in hearing about these low market cap, if you want to call it that, almost $1 billion market cap coins in the top 100, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.